Well, here I'm looking in layout space at the design for the front portion of a block of land. The house is here in magenta hatching, and there's our design, and we could at this stage print high resolution PDF file and send that to the client. It's just a concept plan, but sometimes you want to quickly send to a client a version of this design that's where the image presentation's got a bit more punch. One way to do that is to take advantage of tools and make raster. So I can pick a rectangle and take any part of the design and output it. I'm going to output it to a TIFF file, but you could use other file formats. The TIFF file format, let me just show you here, is we can do TIFF is the one I've chosen down the bottom there, and I'm going to put it on the desktop, and I'll overwrite the one that's already there, and we'll OK that. So we've taken a raster or image file copy of this design from layout space, and now we can go to a free image editor, one called IrfanView, which you can download, and I'll move to it now. There's the original. I took the original and saved it on the desktop as a TIFF file. There's the original, and what I'd like to show you is that IrfanView has got some very clever tools. We can say image, and we can do some color correction, and I'm going to change the gamma correction down to 40, saturation to 46, and contrast to -34, and I'm going to save those values on exit, so the next time I come in here we'll be able to just polish the image and give it a bit more color. So here's our original image, the one you see on the screen now, and we're going to change it to the one on the right by applying those values, and I'm going to keep them and try it in other designs. So we'll now apply it, and there we have our image, and we can then save that image, and that's the one that we can send to the client. We can save it from IrfanView as either a JPEG file or a Windows file or a TIFF file in the same format. You'd probably want to save that as a JPEG file, because everyone's got the ability to load that JPEG image. You just need to attach it to the email that you're sending to a client. So I hope that some of you at least might find that a useful tool when you're working with gCADPlus designs.